Hello everyone, my name is Trần Đại Dương. Um, I I live in Hanoi. Today I'm going to talk about my dream workplace as a software engineer. I work in a big workshop in Australia. Uh, in my workplace, I have got monitor, air condition, and filling cabinet. They have di- different they have different function. For example, the air condition can cool or fanning cabinets used for storing file. Uh, my job is design, develop, and test software application. I like my I like my workplace can because I feel relaxed and competent.